I just read the first 10 pages of Witch Hat Atelier. Let's see if it hooked me or lost me. Alright, so I'm introducing a new series where I take the first 10 pages of a graphic novel, comic, manga, what have you, and I try to determine, is the story mechanics working, is the art working, is everything working together to keep me invested in wanting to read more. I picked 10 because I felt like that was enough pages to get the story moving in a direction. Usually something has already happened, if not the inciting incident, something to spark my curiosity to continue reading forward. So with Witch Hat Atelier by Kamome Shirahama, the first 10 pages starts with your introduction to Coco, where you find out that the world is magical. However, she has an inner question of, can you be born with magic or can you grow to have it? She's immediately fascinated by everything that's going on around her, the magical pond that she washes her laundry in, the flying carriages, I believe they're called Pegasus carriages, that are flying in the sky, and all the things surrounded by magic. She even tries to do a little magic, trying to make a sheet flutter in the wind, and of course it doesn't work because she doesn't have magic. She doesn't know how to do magic. You then are going to get introduced to another character. You don't quite know his name yet in these first 10 pages, but he's going to become very important later on in the story, and you start to see that her world is grounded in reality as far as she has to work, she has to help her mom with her store. And that's it. You really don't get too much. Even though I think the first 10 pages wasn't a amazing, oh my god, I can't wait to read more, I think that Kamome did enough work to make me want to continue reading the story. Just the little elements that, hey, there's a magical pond, you have a character that wishes she could do magic, and then the introduction of the flying carriages. The art style, of course, is beautiful. I think that she did enough work to make me want to continue the story and make me want to read more. In fact, I did continue the story, and I actually own the first 13 volumes of the story, and it is truly amazing, so please continue to read the story. Yeah, I think it works in this setting. If I had to be 100% honest, if this was the exact first time that I was reading this book, I would continue the story because I felt like she did enough elements to propel the story forward and make me want to know more about the world. The one thing about the series is that the artwork is very inviting, it's very beautiful, it's very whimsical. That you can tell that there's a lot of love, care, and attention paid to the details of these pages, and it's definitely worth a read. So that's all I got for this episode of the first 10 pages. Let me know. Have you read this series? Have you read this first volume? Would you keep reading this book? Let me know in the comment section below. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button, because the next video I'm doing it on Cannibal, a horror manga about an entire town of cannibals. Let's find out if the first 10 pages hooks me. And if you are looking for any other type of content surrounding the craft of making comics, making manga, please be sure to check out all my other podcast videos about the craft of making comics, my personal journey and inspiration to tell my story and hopefully convince you to tell your story. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.